Hi, just to let you know that there are from now on 2 ways you can get my plans. You can still get them by becoming a Patreon on my Patreon page, but from now on you can also become a member on my YouTube channel. I've added the YouTube option because it's easier to join for supporters without a Visa card. Thanks everyone for all the support I get from you guys. It means a lot to me. My videos are free and always will be free, but as a YouTube member or Patreon member, it gives you the opportunity to contribute to my channel's growth and you can be a part of my team. When you become a member on my Patreon page or my YouTube channel, you can select the level of support and you can choose how much you pay each month. You can pay 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, however long you like. Every little bit would contribute to keep me running in the workshop, updating equipment and dedicating more time to the channel. All of which would allow me to continue improving my channel. If you become a member on my YouTube channel or my Patreon page, you'll get access to my wooden toy plans. You can find all the support levels when you click here below at the button Join. So, maybe you're interested in joining my team. If you don't want to support my channel or don't want my plans, that's fine. You can still watch my videos and you're still helping me a lot. Nothing will change for you. Thank you. Okay, now for real. I'll see you next year. Bye!